So it may not seem like a lot is going on right now, in terms of price, in terms of the market in general. And that couldn't be further from the truth, because what we're actually seeing right now is bulls are gaining ground as selling pressure is weakening in terms of ADA. This could be the exact shift we need to start seeing some higher prices. And we're going to talk about that in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I stumbled across this interesting article that actually looked at a few indicators that I normally don't look at. And what this actually said is ADA is down nearly 8% over the past 30 days, but has gained almost 3% in the last 24 hours. This was obviously done yesterday. And what we're actually seeing is the ADA Bollinger Band trend is now positive after 6 days. So this actually just turned positive after ending a 6-day streak in the negative territory, which is included in a low of 26.13, negative 26.13 on March 12th. The indicator is now sitting at 0.83, signaling a shift in momentum after the recent downturn. Now, this is still low, but it says it is moving back into the positive territory, signaling a sign of strengthening buying pressure. And what I thought was really interesting here is the Cardano DMI shows sellers are losing control. So the DMI chart shows that the ADX has dropped to 13.7 from 17.5 in the past 24 hours, suggesting a weakening trend strength, while the ADX is still signaling a trend. The lower reading points to reduced momentum compared to the prior day. So what we're actually seeing here is basically the bear trend is dropping while the bull trend is rising. And you guys can read through this if you want. The link is up here. But what we're actually seeing is, again, the bulls start to take over while the bears are weakening. The sellers are weakening. And this is kind of what I've been saying for a while, right? We're sitting on this I don't want to say floor, right? But we're sitting on this floor where you have a lot of strong conviction. A lot of the people that have accumulated are helping defend these prices. Now, understand that ADA does have some resistance, right? And that's right up here at about 78 cents or so. But right at about 70 cents is a range that ADA is currently liking to live in. It doesn't mean it can't go lower, but it is very comfortable in these ranges. Now, this article does in fact go on to talk about, can ADA rise above $1.10 soon? And frankly, yes, it can. We just need the right momentum. We need the right positivity. Not the right positivity, the right sentiment shift. But what we could also see is if we do start liquidating some of these shorts to the upside, that is where you could see ADA make some more significant moves. Now, understand that there is a big concentration of long leverage right down below here. Okay. This is the range that ADA bounced off on the 13th. It bounced off it again on the 16th. And now once again, we're sitting just above these ranges. So understand that if we do have, kind of a cool day in the market, I don't know what's going to happen. This video is going to come out a little bit later today, but if we do have a cool day in the market and we start to see prices drop, don't be surprised if they do drop down into that 67-cent range. It's not a sign of weakness. It's just that's where the leverage kind of stops right now. That's where the thick bulk of this is. So it's going to take time to get through these ranges. But if we do get the right push of sentiment, if we do get the right announcement, don't be surprised by very aggressive, volatile movements to the upside. So yes, I do believe somewhere above $1 is in the not so distant future in terms of ADA. I believe that, again, we're getting very close to that breakout like we talked about yesterday in terms of the total market cap of crypto. And that is where, once again, we could be singing some praises in terms of ADA. We will get to a point where, ADA probably will never be below $1 again, but it's going to take some time. It's going to take an overall change in the crypto market. We need to get out of the sea of red. We need to get out of the sea of negative sentiment. And times are, in fact, shifting towards that. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.